ye, oh ye, oh ye. All rise for the dishonorable Judge Trudy.
Have a seat.
My family courtroom will now come to order. Please be seated. Thank you. Jury, are you ready to hear your first case?
Sure.
Of course you are. Bailiff, bring on the defendant.
Uh-oh.
Be quiet, Mr. Wagener. Mr. Wagener, you've been charged with the heinous crime of wrongful expression.
I'm sorry.
How do you plead, Mr. Wagener?
I didn't do anything. I was just trying
I asked you, how do you plead? Guilty or not guilty?
I was just trying to love
No,
my
I
kids.
don't want to hear any explanation.
I love my kids.
Guilty or not guilty? Right now. Answer the question.
Not guilty. Not guilty, Your Honor.
Then why were you arrested, Mr. Wagener?
Well, because I was visiting my kids and I had a right to.
No. Show me how you, with malice and forethought, committed this heinous act.
Well, I'm supposed to have my kids and I wasn't allowed to speak to them, so I went, I love you. It's sign language, Your Honor.
What's wrong with you? Are you deaf or something?
No.
Can't you speak English? You have to use sign
I
language?
was trying to communicate to my kids.
Would you show me that once again, sir? Show me how you did that.
I, L for love, you.
From here, it looks like you just gave the judge the finger.
Oh, I didn't do that.
We're gonna get it. No. Don't you point the finger at me or I'll have it surgically removed.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Don't you realize that these gestures of self-expression are totally illegal, immoral, and unconstitutional in my court? Wait, Mr. Wagener.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
All right. Jury, how do you find the defendant?
Guilty.
Guilty as charged! Now be quiet, Mr. Wagener. Be quiet. I sent you to 6 weeks in jail.
6 weeks in jail for saying I love my kids.
Mr. Wagener, bailiff, would you restrain us?
I didn't do anything.
Okay, now just listen to your sentence. 6 weeks in jail for saying I love you to your children, and 7 months of probation for giving Judge Trudy the finger.
I didn't do it, Your Honor. I didn't do it.
Bailiff, would you please take this man away? Take him directly to jail. Do not pass go. Do not collect $200.
To my
I
children.
want your child support payment here next month.
How can I pay if I'm in jail, Your Honor?
Bailiff, take it away.
Help!
And by the way, Mr. Wagener, have a nice stay.
And those of you who don't know, that is Mrs. Wagener there. So. I think there was a lot of method acting in that role. And now to the more serious part of our evening. We've had a lot of fun. We've learned a lot of interesting facts from our speakers, Patrick Henry and Richard Henry Lee. Thank you very much. Thank you for our comedy and our skits tonight. I want to introduce our keynote speaker for the evening. He is a professor of political thought, I believe, at Howard University, PhD in political science. And his field of expertise, as we saw humorously portrayed here, is family court and family law, and he will be talking about that. Please give a warm welcome to our special keynote speaker, Dr. Stephen Baskerville.
Thank you very much, Joe. Can everybody hear me okay? Good. First of all, it's very wonderful to be here. I'm very honored to be asked to speak to you here tonight. When BJ asked me to speak here some months ago, I was very surprised, very pleased, a little intimidated to be speaking at the Sunday banquet.